Alright guys, it's Team Yoshi here, Alex, and I'm freshly showered, and so, what do when we freshly shower? We open Tachyon boxes. Alright, this is the 4th box that has been opened in our store so far. One had a Drago sack! But it's sold on eBay, so it's not ours anymore. Ew. Okay, so hopefully we'll get Public Judgment Day. We pulled, 2 coyotes, ew. A pinpoint guard, and...
No, Daniel pulled the pinpoint guard.
Well, Daniel, but that's out of those 4 boxes, and, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here we go. And then, of course, the Draco stack. So, we're gonna start us off.
Technically, including Daniel's box, it's been 5 then. It's
oh, is it?
Between you and me.
You. Alright. Well then. We've got a lead yoke and an elf phobia. Oh,
yeah,
boy.
Daniel pulled one of those too.
Oh.
3 of them already.
I'm calling Winrose, but I'm playing on the prophecy mat for good lucks, right? Do a barrel roll. Oh, boy.
Windrose, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fucking Winrose. I know it is. Alright. Off to a delicious start. Oh, my ultimate is the Tachyon dragon. Oh, boy.
That's a waste.
Yeah.
No channelers once again.
Yet again,
not
no
an ultimate anyway.
We have not pulled a Chandler so far.
Out of 4 boxes, yeah.
Pulled 2 Abyssally lead. No,
Aliens. I had 2 in the same box.
Yeah, boy. Alright, and I still get to pull any elemental dragon. I'm looking for my last Tempest. Tempest is cool. Oh. Dark Cheer Girl and a little Reactant. At least there's a Mind Drain. Mind Drain's cool. I like that card. Alright. Daniel's that box actually had 2 secrets in it. Unfortunately, it was Coyote and,
No, it wasn't. Mine was Coyote.
Pinpoint. Oh, there we go. I got my last Tempest. That's good. Star Status, you.
He had Pinpoint Guard.
Pinpoint Guard and... I thought you said Coyote.
Cardinal.
Oh, Cardinal. Oh, I'm sorry.
Coyote. I told you that.
I'm sorry. You're right. Cardinal. Actually, well, in his box really wasn't that bad.
They're both, like, 10.
Oh, boy. Galchabad is my 1 Ultra. Tetherwolf. Billy. That's okay, at least I can use that in my long stick. Lol. Okay, and now we have a Duck Fighter. Oh boy.
Wow.
Another Reactant.
Kind of a useless
I'm pretty sure this box is seeming. Well, we haven't pulled a secret yet, knock on wood. We will pull a secret.
You should still have an Ultra.
Yeah. The Revenge. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Public Judgment. Draco sack. Something that pays for this box. How about an altitude night? Oh boy. About to rage quit this set. It's gonna be another fucking Coyote or a Winrose. It's gonna be delicious. Oh, another Cheer Girl. I'm so lucky. Alright. Work with me, guys. Luck. We need some luck. Another Draco sack. Oh, this pack doesn't want to open because it's a Draco sack. Or it's a blah blah blah, that thing. Oh, I had 2 little baby dragons. How lucky. Okay. Oh, bye, rank up. Ah, not another one. I pulled 2 of those so far. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys. Hope is looking bleak. Okay. Oh, yeah, Galchabad was our other Ultra? Okay, so...
Yeah, basically, you only have...
I have no hope.
A secret left. And
basically,
maybe, like, 2 supers.
No hope.
I guess you could pull Kirkyon. We haven't pulled one of those yet either.
Oh, yeah, we haven't pulled a
5
Kirkyon.
boxes, no Kirkyon.
Oh, my god. Sacred Sword of the 7 Stars? That's at least good.
Yeah.
It's at least something. That's over, nothing. Alright. Okay. Steric Sign, that's another one we haven't pulled, but we did finally get that. I'm sure it's not that expensive, but...
It's like $6 or $7.
Hey, that's $6 or $7 more than Battle and Boxer Status. Let's switch this. Oh, Public Judgment, motherfuckers! Yeah! Woohoo! Finally! We paid for the box. That's good. Now we only have Winrose that we haven't pulled, I think.
Well, this is a different thing,
well,
though.
it's a different case, I know, but
yeah,
still!
Different.
The other one was, I think was left over the other packs. Anyway, Oh, buffalo. Yes, Yar.
Figures after I list my prophecy deck on eBay.
Yeah, sorry about that. You could have added that in nicely. At least one of them. Oh, Barry, cheer, girl. Oh, I'm so
Honeybuns, you're such a bitch. I deserved that pull.
Honeybuns, you pulled the Draco stack. Fuck you.
You're such a bitch.
Yeah.
Look.
Because you need to shower. Oh boy, a wheel.
Kitty thinks you're a bitch too.
Damn it, Kitty.
You're such a bitch.
Damn it, Kitty. Warning, there's swearing in this video. Okay. Let's go for another secret. Just kidding. Pretty sure we're out of secrets.
That would be cool if you just pulled another one.
Oh my god, just another Slow Book of Judgment. Or like, okay, last week I didn't record this, but I had 30 packs of Return of the Duelist. One special edition box, I pulled 2 priestesses. 2 priestesses! I'm on my way to the damn deck. Except for lulz.
Well, I had it.
Okay.
Except for that card.
Yeah, no,
I had the big eye in the Draco stack, and now it's all going.
That's fine. Oh boy, another trust. Okay, last pack. Chances are we're probably out, but just in case, we can pull another. We'll just pull a priestess out of this too, just for fun. Because why not?
Yeah.
It's a fake video, guys! Or it's a title, hell yeah! Alright. And 2 little baby dragons. Alright guys, well this concludes the box. Basically I just pulled these 2 cards. Or maybe the Hysteric Son, I guess. And then of course some rares, but that's okay! How cool! You want this thing? Take it off my hands! Just kidding, it might be good. One day. Why not? Team Yoshi out!